Google wants to release 64 million mosquitoes they've infected with the bacteria called Wolbachia into the wild. This is a project out of Google, well, its parent company Alphabet, and the project is called Debug. And Debug has filed a request with the US Environmental Protection Agency for a permit to release up to 64 million mosquitoes across 2 American states, California and Florida, over a 2-year period. The mosquitoes that they're releasing are all male, and male mosquitoes don't bite. Only females bite. These males have been infected with a naturally occurring bacteria called Wolbachia. So when these infected males mate with wild females out in the environment, the eggs simply don't hatch. So over time, the next generation's population size gets smaller and smaller until eventually the population of mosquitoes collapses. To do this at scale, Google would have to breed millions of mosquitoes and then separate the harmless males from the biting females. Doing that manually is impossible. So, Debug uses an AI-powered system to sort the males from the females automatically and then release them in the right place, in the right numbers, at the right time. As you can expect, not everyone is thrilled to hear this news. The idea of a giant tech corporation releasing millions of engineered insects into a shared environment, that's a little bit uncomfortable. But supporters of the project, including independent scientists, have said that this project is well backed by science. Of course, the debate will continue. These trials are happening in America, but it's not lost on us that mosquitoes are also an Africa problem. In fact, mosquitoes are the deadliest animal on Earth. Malaria alone, just one of the diseases that is spread by mosquitoes, infects more than 250 million people a year and kills close to 600,000 people annually. And Africa carries the overwhelming majority of that burden. So it's not a huge leap to think that this project could be aiming for Africa soon. Would this technology work against the specific mosquito species that we have here in Africa, which are different to the species that exist in the US? Who would pay for this project? Would African communities respond positively to this project? Well, these are questions that don't have answers yet.